Is your T-Mobile REVVL 4 not charging? First, inspect your USB-C cable and charging port. A faulty cable or debris in the port are common culprits. Use an OEM or certified cable to avoid voltage mismatches. Clean the port with compressed air or a small brush to remove dust and lint. Next, verify your adapter. The REVVL 4 requires a 5V 2A charger. Higher wattages can cause overheating. Test with a known good adapter to rule out adapter failure. Often, charging problems are cable-related, so start there. If cable and adapter checks fail, the battery might be the issue. Access battery diagnostics by dialing ***4636 *** to check its health. A swollen or severely depleted battery with capacity below 70% likely needs replacement. Consider third-party replacements from reputable sources. Another possible cause is software interference. Boot your REVVL 4 in safe mode to rule out app issues. If charging works in safe mode, uninstall recently added apps. Finally, ensure your phone is running the latest available firmware. Although updates are infrequent, compatibility issues can sometimes affect charging. If all else fails, a professional battery recalibration may help extend device life.